Hi, today we'd like to introduce to you the new patented Camalay curtain for both window and French door. We'd first like to show you the installation on the window. There's actually two different ways that you can do it. You can install with a tension rod or with an adhesive hook strip. We'll show you both ways today. Both are very easy. With the tension rod, just remove the knob at the end. This is the top of the curtain, the rod pocket. Simply just slide it in. Then put the knob on the end. I use my trusty little ladder here because this is a pretty high window. Simply install the very top, like that. Very simple and easy. Now let me show you how easy the adhesive hook strip is. We'll remove the tension rod. You can see on the back of the curtain here is the loop strip. I'm going to set the curtain down. Just remove the plastic backing. Throw that away. And then I like to install at the very top part, it's the ceiling part of the window. Press it down. You can use the back of scissors or a spoon so that there's no bubbles. And then simply attach your curtain. I like to center it in the window first. Press. And there you go. That's how easy the installation is. No holes, no drilling, and only takes seconds.